Hi guys. Kanina nakadalawang shot ako ng video na to kasi hindi ko alam kung paano i-focus yung cam dun sa magiging uniform ko. So, today is my day 1 face-to-face for my classes because I enrolled in an institute. Ito yung, wait, pakita ko sa inyo. Yan, nakita nyo ba? Ito. This is my uniform. Okay. So, today, day 1 siya ng face-to-face. Anyways, I'm going to have the face-to-face classes 2 days in a week. It's kind of interesting. And I missed like 4 classes already, so singit lang ako for the batch. There are already 9 in the class, and I'm the pang-10 ako, 10th one. Hindi ko alam ba't masakit ang dibdib ko today. So my classes starts at 10 in the morning and end siya ng 4 in the afternoon. However, nag-enroll kasi ako ng Saturday. So imagine, Sunday, Monday, binuno ko yung binuno ko yung 4 classes na hindi ko na-attend. 4 days. Hindi madali may mga nakakalimutan pa kasi chapter 4 na sila. So, chapter 1, 2, and 3, may catch ako pero I think I have to review again. Siyempre, medyo matanda na ang lola nyo at may mga things na nakakalimutan na. Kaya nga, I'm taking Omega. So, I suggest you take it as well. Omega 3, yung full, para sa heart and brain. Pero ang sakit talaga ng aking dibdib ngayon. Masikip. So, I'm very hopeful na meron ako matutunan today sa face-to-face. I'm kinda anxious also. Kasi it's a completely different field na tatahakin ko. Though my mom was a nurse, okay, nung nabubuhay pa siya, she was a nurse. She studied in USA, and dun din siya na license and all. So before, when I was young, I asked her kung, Mom, why don't I take your course? Kaso nanalo si Dad, nanalo ang papa ko sa pag-push sa akin na i-take ang BS Accountancy. Well, guys, baka isipin nyo ang galing ko sa math. So, I don't think so. Accounting as a course is more on analyzation. So, hindi siya yung, anyway, there is calculus and algebra, okay? So, yun lang naman yung dalawang math na kailangan mong ipasa. If you ask me, paano ko napasa, hindi ko rin alam. Pero that time, napasa ko siya. So, nakagraduate ako. So, good thing, right? And today, yun nga, tatahakin ko yung bagong field. It's an additional learning, and it's a skilled it's a skill that you need to learn, right? In life. Ang sakit talaga ng dibdib ko. Hindi ko alam bakit. Hindi ko alam kung lumalaki ba ang dibdib ko or what. So, here, yung course na to, 2 months ata to finish. Pero sa Pilipinas, 4 months. 2 years na kailangan na ma-finish. Alam mo, mayroong lalaki sa harap ko na parang street sweeper dito sa Dubai. So judgmental lang ako. Nandun pala yung basurahan niya, kaya siya na dito sa tapat ng sasakyan ko, 'di ba? Very good talaga siya. Okay, may mga lalaki ding marites dito sa Dubai eh, no? Oh, gusto nilang makita kung anong ginagawa ko. Ay, nagbablog po ako. So yun, medyo anxious nga ang lola nyo, and sana things will work out. My sister is in Croatia. Sabi niya yung ganitong course daw hindi masyadong in demand sa kanila, or meron pangangailangan pero hindi maganda yung benefits. But they've told me na I can try some countries like UK, like yung may friend ako, this is her course as well. So I think nasabi ko na to sa last video ko, not sure, pero yun nga, my friend studied in the same institute and she was certified. Okay, and now she's flying to UK on 24th August. Okay, so I'm losing a friend kasi usually dito sa Dubai ang hirap makahanap ng tunay na kaibigan. So I believe I said this in my previous video, but I'm happy for her, and we are both in the retail industry now. Nag-shift din siya sa healthcare industry, which is interesting. I mean, like, it's really interesting. The course is interesting. It's a noble job actually. So from a manager of retail for how long, and now I'm switching. I don't mind na mag-switch because you have to learn new things, sabi nga, unlearn what you've learned already and learn new things in order for you to have a purpose in life. Maybe this is my calling, let me see. All the things I just ask God to guide me and take over of my life. Siya ang driver ng buhay ko. So if He asks me to let go of this, I will let go. If He asks me to pursue this, I will pursue. Masikip talaga ang dibdib ko, inay. Diyos ko, day. Okay, and it's still 9:30. Maaga pa. Maaga ako nakarating dito sa school. So nakapark ako somewhere kasi yung parking malapit dun sa school puno na. So I think this will be my life. Hindi naman pala masyadong mahirap mag-park. Hindi ko lang alam magkano ang rate per hour. Okay guys, I'm just gonna check kung magkano. Mainit sa labas so hindi ko mapapakita. Maybe on my next videos I'll do that. Okay, see you in the next one.